everyone, Review Way here and welcome back to another episode of Canva tutorial series. Today we'll talk about one of the coolest way to present information, infographics. Kung sama ka na dun sa puro text at gusto mo ng something more eye-catching and easy to understand, you're in the right place. Let's take your data from me to wow.
Ready, set, let's go. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up, going all the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the thing you can do to stop it. I've been on the way up cause I know I'm pop.
Okay, bakit nga ba kailangan natin ng infographic? Simple lang. Para mas madaling maintindihan ng audience mo ang kahit na anong complex na data. Infographics are perfect for breaking down complicated info into bite-sized, visually appealing pieces. Kaya today, I'll show you paano gumawa ng maganda at effective na infographics using Canva. Ready ka na ba? Let's go! So, unang step, open Canva and type infographics sa search bar. You'll see tons of templates to choose from. Huwag ma-overwhelm, piliin natin yung mas best template na babagay sa project mo. Ang daming option, di ba? Kaya tip ko sa inyo, isipin mo muna kung ano yung goal mo. Is it to showcase data, tell story, or explain a process? Once na alam mo na, mas madali nang pumili ng template na mas swak sa team mo. Now, we have our template. I-customize na natin to. Start by editing text. Tandaan, keep it short and sweet. Huwag natin isiksik lahat ng info dito. Infographics are about clarify, no? Next, palitan natin ang mga images or icon para mas bagay sa data mo. Sa Canva, mas marami kang option to add visual elements, charts, icons, graphs, lahat na. Just go to elements and search for whatever you need. Let's say gusto mo na i-showcase. Gusto mong i-showcase yung growth ng business mo, no? A bar chart or line graph would be perfect. Ayan, automatic na mag-update once you input your data. Para naman hindi masakit sa mata, let's make sure na consistent ang color at fonts natin. Canva make it super easy. Meron silang pre-made palettes or pwede ka rin gumawa ng sarili mo. Same with fonts, no? Choose something readable pero stylish enough para bumagay sa infographics mo. Okay, tapos na tayo sa design. Let's review it one last time. Kung happy ka na, click download and choose your format. PNG, JPEG, or PDF if you need to print it. Then, boom! Professional looking infographic are done. So, ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng sarili natin infographic that not only looks great, but also effectively communicates your message. Perfect yan for reports, in presentation, or even social media posts. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon para updated ka sa next Canva tips and tricks. And also, check the description below for some cool Canva templates to help you get started. I'd love to see your own infographics. Itag nyo ako on social media at I'm Your Way or at Craft by Your Way or drop down a comment below.